Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting tutorial on creating a travel expenses spreadsheet. We will cover various aspects like calculating expenses, formatting, and making your spreadsheet visually appealing. So let's dive right in. First, we need to calculate the total distance traveled by each sales representative. To do that, we'll use a formula. So let's apply that formula for the sales representative Morrison equal to sum. So week 1 kilometer to week 4 kilometer, that is speed E2 E3. Enter. Let's apply the same formula for other sales rep. Now you can see that the total distance traveled by each sales representative, considering from week 1 to week 4. Next, we have to calculate the amount due to each sales representative based on the distance traveled. We'll use another formula equal to F3 into 0.63. Track the formula till the last representative. This formula calculates the amount due to each sales rep based on 63 cents per kilometer traveled. Now, let's make our numbers look clean and professional. Formatting is essential. Select the cells you want to format. Then right click and select format cells. Here you can choose your desired number format. Let's go with currency of for our expenses. Let's choose the symbol as dollars, United States. Decimal places 0 and cook. See how our numbers are nicely formatted now. For a polished look, let's center our spreadsheet heading. Highlight the heading . Under alignment group, click on Merge and Center. To make our labels stand out, let's rotate them. Select the labels, right-click, choose Format Cells, go to the Alignment tab. Select the orientation of your choice. Lastly, let's make our spreadsheet visually appealing by adding borders and shading. Select the cells, choose all borders. Let's color them with probably a dark blue shade and a white color. And there you have it. You have created a travel expenses spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps you manage your expenses efficiently. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about Excel and spreadsheet management, don't forget to check our next video, where we will guide you through creating a stationary order spreadsheet.